Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we look at the UEFA Europa League game between the Czech club Viktoria Plzen and Manchester United from Doosan Arena, Plzen. Striker Rasmus Hojlund scored twice for Manchester United after coming as a substitute to allow a comeback win against the six-time Czech champions Viktoria Plzen. Manchester United moved to fifth in the Europa League table with 12 points. They remain unbeaten in 6 games with 3 wins and 4 draws. They eye for an automatic round of 16 qualification by being in the top 8. Manchester United and Ruben Amorim, after 2 defeats at home to Nottingham Forest and away to Arsenal in the Premier League, wanted to get back to winning ways, got the better of the Czech champions in a very determined way. Amorim chose his 3-4-3 setup with Onana on goal, Martinez, Delight, and Mazraoui as the back three, Malacia, Casemiro, Bruno Fernandes, and Diogo Dalot as the midfield four, with Rashford, Ahmad, Zirkzee as the front three. Onana's error gifted Viktoria Plzen their first goal. A concern for Amorim and Manchester United after Onana's mistake led to 2 goals during their home game loss to Nottingham Forest as well. As Amorim put it after the game, it was a not great game, but we managed to do good things and we deserved the win. First half for Manchester United was not impressive, with casual and missed passes continued. Zirkzee in particular was sloppy, lost ball possession more than 15 times in a 60-minute game today. Giving away the ball, sloppiness, needless mistakes, something Amorim has raised his concerns about already, continued and caused trouble for Manchester United in this game as well. Individual mistakes are something Manchester United and Amorim need to avoid. A key aspect for them to avoid is they bounce and show progress. Amorim's changes made the difference in the game. Hojlund got the scores level with a good finish for the cross from the excellent Ahmad in the game. The alert Hojlund grabbed the winner again with a clever free kick from Bruno Fernandes. Hojlund has now 5 goals in 6 Europa games and the competition's top scorer right now. Manchester United had a better performance in the second half. They showed a lot of resilience, great pace, intensity. They controlled the game and did not allow Plzen to play at all. Manchester United had more than 65% of the ball possession, 17 shots on goal, 8 on target. Stats indicate a much better performance without individual errors can be even better. Manchester United next to visit Manchester City in the Premier League on Sunday for another Manchester derby and the first for Ruben Amorim. They also host Rangers on the 23rd of Jan in the Europa League before the last game at Steaua Bucharest a week later. Well, Manchester United are making progress, but results are key to show if they are in the right direction. Good results build confidence in their performance, reduces pressure on the team and on Amorim as they move up in all competitions. Well, that's it from my side. Please provide your comments, like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such reviews. Until next time, take care.